YouTube. This is the most useful, powerful social media to display the content more powerful, more effectively to the audience. This YouTube creates more local innovations aimed at global markets. This YouTube is concentrating more on India first innovations, citing its short video format shots, which was developed in the country and scaled up for the rest of the world. Many Indian people are creating videos as shorts and displaying or publishing to be for the entire world. Hope to do a branch more India first innovations, but shorts probably is one of our most telling product features that has gone in that direction. Shorts has become more popular for YouTube users. Since inception, YouTube Shorts has grown to a community of more than 1.5 billion monthly logins globally. It generates 30 billion views per day, 4 times more than last year. Shorts was first introduced in India in September 2022. This is the first innovation. This is the first idea to publish shorts in YouTube channel in the YouTube social media. Subsequently, expanded to over 100 countries in July last year. The feature is part of the main YouTube app and allows users to create and share short vertical videos up to 60 seconds. The shorts are generally 60 seconds and that will allow the users to publish their content. The distinguishing feature of shorts as opposed to the short from formats like Reels or TikTok was that YouTube was a native video platform, unlike Instagram, which pivoted from being a photo sharing platform to offering more video content. YouTube came into this business to help truly democratize content creation and distribution. A bunch of creators who come primarily to do shorts and could later do mid and long form, and on the other end, an enormous army of creators have been doing long form and mid form who are now beginning to also do short form. People earlier were using short and medium long form contents are shifting to create short forms. YouTube is the only destination where creators can produce all forms of content while building a community and earning money from multiple revenue streams. The multi-format creator moves seamlessly between different video formats on YouTube to connect their community with the right content at the right time, creating an infinite flow of content combinations to maximize the YouTube partner program. To maximize the YouTube partner program YPP to allow more creators to join it, introducing new ways for creators to earn revenue through shorts and opening up ads monetization for those who feature music in their ideas. Starting early next year, shorts focused creators can apply to YPP by meeting a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views over 90 days. These new partners will enjoy all the benefits of YPP offers, including ads monetization across shorts and long form YouTube videos. This is another option to the existing criteria where long form creators can still apply to YPP when they reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Creators can choose the option that best fit their channel. Creators who represent the true flavor of their districts and regions are having their moment in the sun. For instance, the bus drivers of any part of the hyperlocal street content has been generated from across the country, with creators engaging with fans in many languages like Marathi, Punjabi, Haryani, Bhojpuri, Bengali, and other languages. The content is also being created in various dialects from towns such as and villages and many local rural parts of the country. India is a country within countries, and ability to create engines of engagement in sublocals within the country is something unique to India. What is trending in North India is very different from what is trending in South India or Eastern India or Western India. The localization of trending is something that Shorts is leading the way in showing that can be for you that what that can be for users and teaching us and our algorithm what that can be from a platform standpoint. Infotainment style content that seeks to both inform and entertain viewers has also become more popular. Creators are leveraging these kinds of connect viewers to helpful and purposeful information of shorts, ideas and inspiration. With this, the YouTube has become a most popular platform for publishing the video created, publishing the shorts or videos or content created based on the local, urban, rural, any place to reach any part of the country, not only the India but also any part of the country. With this, video content creators could attract not only the Indian viewers but also the global viewers. That is becoming a platform for publishing the local content to the global viewers.